Welcome back to KCTV English News. I'm Angel Kim. Governor Won Hee-ryong recently cited the third wave of COVID-19 on Jeju Island as the most regrettable thing of the year and announced his plans to focus on COVID-19 quarantine measures and economic recovery for the upcoming year. During a year-end talk held on the morning of the 28th, Governor Won told journalists that although Jeju Island was able to resist the first and second waves with the cooperation of provincial residents, it was regrettable that the province faced a major crisis with the third wave that began on the 15th. He added that next year, the province will focus on COVID-19 quarantine measures and economic recovery and will work towards creating policies that will bring hope and progress for when the pandemic ends. 5 COVID-19 patients have been confirmed in Jeju on the 28th. The province reported the total number of COVID-19 patients in Jeju at 397 as of midnight last night, after confirming 5 new patients on the 28th. Meanwhile, a screening center has been in operation since the 25th at the Gimpo International Airport. The province said that they cannot require visitors to submit their test results by law. Instead, they are encouraging all travelers to receive coronavirus tests as a part of a campaign to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The number of COVID-19 cases in Jeju has declined since the Christmas holiday, and the province announced that although the future cannot be predicted under the current circumstances, the spread of regional infections seems to have taken a downturn. In a briefing on the 28th, Bae Jong-myeon, head of the Jeju Center for Infectious Disease Control and Prevention, explained that the spread of local infections has slowed down since Christmas Day due to the heightened social distancing measures that were put into effect on the 18th, as well as the transition to online classes by the Education Office and active cooperation of provincial residents. He added that the recent case of COVID-19, which occurred during the patient's self-quarantine period, also prevented the possibility of further transmission in the community. However, as the risk of infections is still high in many parts of the province, residents were asked to continue to abide by the social distancing rules. With last week's surge in confirmed cases in Jeju Island, 71% of beds designated for COVID-19 are currently occupied. According to the province, 216 COVID-19 patients are in hospital as of midnight on the 28th. By hospital, the Seogwipo Medical Center is at the highest capacity with 91% of its beds occupied, followed by Jeju National University Hospital at 69% and Jeju Medical Center at 62%. Schools in Jeju Island will hold graduation ceremonies earlier than normal due to COVID-19. According to the Jeju Provincial Office of Education, 4 elementary schools will be the first to hold graduation ceremonies. Donam Elementary School, along with Wollang, Inhwa, and Shinkwang, will be graduating on the 30th. The majority of elementary schools on the island will be holding their ceremonies during the first half of next month, with middle and high schools also planning their graduations by the end of January. Education authorities are encouraging non-face-to-face ceremonies due to concerns over the spread of COVID-19. Thank you for joining us today at KCTV English News. Please follow us on YouTube at KCTV eNews Jeju and on KCTV's VOD service. Have a great evening.